Sean Diddy Combs has recently taken significant legal steps to appeal a ruling made by a Manhattan judge that has kept him incarcerated without the option for bail. In his appeal, Combs argues that he should be granted freedom as he awaits trial on serious sex trafficking charges, asserting that the prosecution's efforts to deny him bail are based largely on conjecture rather than substantial evidence. On Tuesday, Combs' legal team filed a comprehensive brief with the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, challenging the decision that has left the renowned hip-hop mogul languishing in Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center since his arrest last month. The gravity of the federal charges against him has caused a stir within the entertainment industry and beyond, attracting considerable media attention and public scrutiny. The Manhattan U.S. Attorney's Office had previously argued successfully before the judge that Combs, now 54 years old, represented a significant flight risk and a potential danger to witnesses, referring to him as a serial abuser and serial obstructor. These serious allegations led the judge to deny him bail, based on fears that Combs might either intimidate witnesses or attempt to flee the jurisdiction before his trial could take place. However, in response to these assertions, Combs' defense attorney, Alexandra Shapiro, strongly countered that the government's claims regarding his potential for obstructing justice were founded on speculation and unfounded assumptions. Shapiro emphasized that the prosecution's concerns were largely derived from untested allegations about purported communications involving witnesses in civil cases, communications that were reportedly initiated by those witnesses rather than by Combs himself. Shapiro's legal brief articulated that the sensationalism surrounding Combs' arrest has significantly distorted the judicial evaluation of his bail situation. She pointed out that despite Combs offering to adhere to a stringent set of bail conditions, which included home detention, electronic monitoring, and a robust bail package amounting to $50 million, the court still chose to deny him the opportunity for release. In her arguments, Shapiro highlighted that Combs had taken extraordinary measures to demonstrate his intent to face the charges against him, rather than evade them. Notably, she referenced his decision to travel to New York to voluntarily surrender upon learning of the impending indictment, which she argued showed his commitment to confronting the legal challenges he faces. According to his legal team, this proactive approach illustrates that he does not pose a flight risk and is prepared to contest the charges head-on. Furthermore, Shapiro pointed out that the proposed bail conditions would have effectively mitigated any potential risks posed by Combs, addressing both the concerns of public safety and the possibility of witness tampering. She asserted that these conditions would have ensured that Combs could not pose a danger to anyone or contact any witnesses involved in the case. As the legal proceedings continue to unfold, Combs has maintained his innocence, having entered a not guilty plea to the charges of racketeering and sex trafficking. He has firmly denied any allegations of wrongdoing, and his defense team is working diligently to combat the serious accusations against him. The charges he faces are particularly disturbing, with federal prosecutors alleging that he orchestrated a series of highly questionable sexual encounters, referred to as freak-offs. These alleged events reportedly involved luring women into his sphere, providing them with drugs and compelling them to engage in extended sexual activities with male escorts, raising significant ethical and legal concerns. The high-profile nature of this case has not only captured the attention of the public but has also sparked discussions about the implications of celebrity culture and the judicial process in cases involving prominent figures. The legal battles ahead for Combs could serve as a litmus test for how the justice system handles cases involving individuals with significant public profiles and resources. As Combs' team continues to advocate for his release and challenge the assertions made by prosecutors, the outcome of this appeal holds potential implications not only for Combs himself, but also for the broader landscape of legal accountability among high-profile individuals. The ongoing developments in this case will likely be closely monitored by the media and the public alike, as they navigate the complexities of the legal proceedings and the broader societal issues that they reflect. In summary, Combs' legal team is prepared to vigorously contest the allegations against him while seeking to overturn the no-bail ruling that has kept him in custody. The appeal to the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit is an essential step in this process, and the eventual outcome may have lasting effects on both Combs' future and the legal standards applied to similar cases involving celebrities and serious criminal charges.